If you want to send money from your Zenith Bank account to someone who's using another bank, here's a step-by-step process using the Zenith Bank mobile app. It's actually really simple once your app is set up, and after doing it once or twice, it becomes second nature. First, if you don't already have the Zenith Bank app installed, head over to the Play Store or the App Store and download it. When you open it for the first time, you'll need to register your account by entering your account number along with either your debit card details or your hardware token information if you have one. Follow the prompts carefully because setting up your profile correctly ensures your transfers go smoothly later. Once you're registered and everything is verified, go ahead and log in. Now you'll be on the main dashboard. Look for the option labeled transfers and tap on it. This is where you'll see different transfer types. To send money to someone using a completely different bank, choose the option that says transfer to other bank account. This section works with all major banks in Nigeria, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding the bank you need. Next, enter the recipient's bank name, their account number, and the amount you want to send. Make sure you type the account number correctly. The app usually validates it automatically and shows you the person's name so you can confirm you're sending money to the right person. If the name doesn't match who you intended, stop and double check before continuing. Once everything looks correct, press continue. The app will then ask you for your transaction PIN. This is your personal code that confirms you're the owner of the account. After entering your PIN, Zenith Bank will typically send a one-time password to your phone. Type in the OTP as soon as you receive it so the transaction doesn't time out. This security step protects your money, so don't share that code with anyone. After you confirm the transfer, the money usually arrives in the other bank account almost instantly. In some cases, it may take a minute or two depending on network delays, but most transfers are very fast. You'll also get a confirmation message inside the app showing that the transaction was successful. If you ever want to keep a record for future reference, you can screenshot the receipt or check your transaction history inside the app. And that's all there is to it. Sending money from Zenith Bank to another bank is quick, secure, and easy as long as you follow each step carefully.